A quick overview of the status types that you have here up at the top. First, we have our new opportunity. The new opportunity, all RFQs that are placed inside of the system will automatically be labeled as new opportunity. And then if you make the determination that you do want to bid on the item, you would relabel this as a will source. If you determine that looking at this RFQ, you do not want to bid on this item, you want to label this as a no bid. So between will source and no bid, you're weeding out the ones that you want to actually spend time on, focusing on the will source and not focusing on the no bid. The next section we have is sourcing. The difference between will source and sourcing is where you are in the progression. Will source is saying that I will pursue this moving forward. I still haven't sent out my quotes. And sourcing is saying I have actively pursued this, sending out quotes to whomever my vendors are. We want to make sure that we label it as will source. Once you get your quotes back from all of your vendors, you want to relabel this as ready to complete. By clicking on ready to bid, you want to label this as ready to bid. Once you label this as ready to bid, everything shifts over to the left and you have this price bid sheet calculator here. In a different video, we'll go over exactly how to use this tool, but this allows you to determine what your bid price will be, taking into account your profit and your margin if you won this contract. The next area we have is bid complete. By clicking on bid complete, this means that you've actually placed the bid inside of the DIBBS system. Also, what we do is we keep track of how many bids you put in as your KPI. You want to determine how many bids you want to put in per week, per month. This is a great snapshot to determine, am I living up to the expectation that I've set? The next phase after bid complete comes down to the RFQ being awarded, or prior to that, it actually being traced by the government. So by clicking on this trace button, what this is telling the system is that the government has reached out to you to provide proof of traceability, meaning you can get it from the vendor that you said that you can get it from. So when you get the request from the contracting officer to provide proof that you can get it from whomever your vendor is, you want to label this as traced. This means that you're one step closer to winning that award. And then the final two areas you have are award won and award lost, depending upon exactly what ends up happening. If you do end up winning the award, you want to go back to the RFQ, come here, click on award won, and you have this pop-up. We'll go over exactly what this pop-up means in a different video. Same thing with award loss. Going to ask you questions, but both of these pop-ups that you do see, as we'll show in the other video, are important to continuing to move closer to winning more awards. And this goes over the status bar up at the top.